Hi, team. Welcome to week 3. Here I am in central Wisconsin, working on your information as well as getting a little time with my family. And boy, it's been a busy first 3 weeks with things, but you guys have been fantastic in asking the questions you're asking. And by all means, please continue to send the emails if you have questions. Use that text that I provided on the text number, I should say, that I provided on the syllabus if you're working on something more immediately. That is a 7-day-a-week number. Week 3 is an exciting week because we get into the legal and ethical considerations of nursing, and it might give you a little bit different of a perspective. Many of you certainly probably are working with what we now term support staff, LPNs and CNAs and maybe even MAs that actually are working to provide the support that you need in the care of your patients there. And it's real important to recognize where your boundaries are in terms of legalities, and hopefully this week will help with that. You also are going to have an interesting IHI course to take, which is one of 2, and it will hopefully be an eye-opener in terms of the new information that you gain from that as well. Remember that when you are the RN, which you are now, you also serve as sort of the informal leader of the group. And because of that, and some of you actually are in management leadership roles already, remember that it takes a team and it takes working with situations that are sometimes uncomfortable, adverse type events there. And that's what these 2 IHI home study courses will be doing there. They're free. They're actually easy to work through, but first time I did them, I found them to be an eye-opener, so I hope you enjoy them as well there. Then take a look at the discussion board for this week. It's actually a 2-part discussion board, so you're actually going to be responding to 2 different questions. Please remember that you want to have a minimum of 2 references for each week. So week 1 and week 2 had 1 discussion question. Weeks 3 and 4, I believe, and possibly 5, have 2 questions. I'm still only going to require the 2 references, but consider using references to solidify your information there. And I don't want you to think, hey, they're only focused on references and citations. It's a way of presenting yourself professionally, guys, that really will set you apart with this new baccalaureate degree that you're earning. Be proud of that. Be proud of the hard work that you're doing and the things that you're accomplishing. Now, again, any questions, please text me or email me if you have questions. And good luck with week 3. Let me know. See you later.